Good morning everybody. I am Jaydeep Mundra from Bikaner Polymers Private Limited, Jaipur. We are manufacturers of PET cans and we make machines and supply for packing and sealing of PET cans. This is the video of an automatic can seaming machine. It comes with a Delta PLC. The speed of this machine is around 30 to 35 cans per minute. In this video, we will be displaying the seaming of 180 ml PET can. We have filled water in the can. The machine has auto easy open and loader. It's a 4-head roller, top rotating roller. In this, the can does not rotate, the machine head rotates. We can see water is filled inside. I am pressing the can and there is no leakage. It's a very fast machine, very easy to operate.